Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Pound Dollar, GBP USD, GBP JPY, Gold USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. And my dear friends, I would like to remind again that I do not have any Telegram channel by the name the trader next door. They are all scams. Please do not invest your hard-earned money with scammers. Please be careful. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. Yesterday when I made the video on Euro USD, remember we had a bullish flag pattern here. We had a bullish flag pattern here, but somehow the pattern failed. Yes, and this was the main reason I always emphasize on confirmation. Remember I told you that until and unless you do not see a proper breakout, do not take a buy call. Okay, this was the main reason. See why confirmation is always important. See, after that market did not go for the flag pattern and we saw heavy sell off. Okay, so the flag pattern ultimately failed. Right now we do not have a clear picture. Again, honestly speaking, last week we had a huge sale on Euro USD. Those who prefers to follow trend, they had a very good week. But this week, more or less, we do not have a clarity about the direction of the market. Personally, I also suffered many losses. Many SLs were hit because of the unclear direction, and most importantly, okay, the unexpected move in the market. And that's why I always tell you guys that risk management is extremely important in this market condition, because when the market will be back to normal, okay, you should be having your capital with you, isn't it? Anyways, right now Euro USD is trading at 1.1001. This is the current market price. Market is trying to take temporary support around 1.0970. This is the temporary support for the market right now. Yes, this is not a strong support. Do not think that market has taken support and market will be bouncing from here. No, especially in this type of market condition, we cannot rely on these type of levels. Okay, so this is just a temporary support for the market. If you have a buy condition, buy position, okay, continue with the buy position, but your stop loss should be here. Do not trade without stop loss right now. Trading without stop loss is like suicide. Okay, so please do not make the mistake. So if you have a buy position, be with the buy position. But if you do not have a buy position, okay, no need to take any buy position right now. If you do not have any fresh position, just look at the trend here. Okay, again we are back to the trend theory. Just look at the trend. The trend still seems to be very bearish. Okay, the sellers are still dominating the market right now. So as a result, it is wise to look for sell positions again, because if you look at a chart of DXY, we can see that yes, we saw this sell off day before yesterday, but DXY is trying to recover again. Just the opposite of Euro USD, DXY is still very much in uptrend. We had some correction day for yesterday, but what is the overall trend here? What is the overall trend? The overall trend is bullish. What is the overall trend here? The overall trend is bearish. Simple as that. And as we all know, market has only one rule. एक ही rule है market का. चाहे वो forex, commodity, stocks, doesn't matter. Market says only follow the trend. So in this market condition, I'll tell you, okay, wait for the market to give you a proper direction. If you have a buy, go for it. If you do not have a buy, leave it. Okay. If one market is going up around this level, 1.1070, when market will reach this level, observe the market. Okay, observe the market and see how the market is doing around this level. There is a possibility that market will be facing selling pressure again. If market reverses from this level, take a sell position. Okay, this is our opportunity number one. And if market goes up and reverses from the 1.1150 level, this level, this is also a strong resistance level for the market, considering the downtrend in the market, considering the 50% Fibonacci and the price rejection. Considering all the factors, there is a possibility that market will be reversing from this level as well. So this is our opportunity number one. This is our opportunity number two. If market goes up, and if market fails to go up, and if market breaks the present level, If market breaks the present support level of 1.0970 and falls, then also we can take a sell position as well. So if market breaks below the level of 1.0970, we can also take a sell position. But if you have a buy position, you can, yes, you can continue with a buy position, but yes, your stop loss should be here around 30 pips, around 30 pips stop loss. Okay, and please follow proper risk management. Okay, so if market goes up, try to take a sell here. If market breaks it, try to take a sell here. Let me mark it down. Opportunity number one, opportunity number two, if market goes up. And if market breaks the level, then this will be your opportunity. Try to take a sell position below this temporary support level right now. If you have an ongoing buy position, be with a position. Okay. And overall, the market still, the DXY seems to be bullish again. It is trying to take support at the 50 moving average and going up. Okay, until and unless we saw some heavy fall on the DXY, we cannot consider that Euro USD is back in track again. Keep in mind, the market is still very sensitive, the market is still very volatile, the war is still going on. So use proper risk management and stop loss. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Okay, so do not lose your hard-earned money, protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see ya again.